Hello, and welcome to Earth Scishow, the podcast where we explore the latest discoveries in Earth sciences. I'm your host, MrEarthGuy. Today we'll be talking about a fascinating study that suggests that the evolution of tree roots may have triggered mass extinction events in ancient oceans. And if you're a fan of the show, please do remember to leave us a follow and review on this platform. Well, to understand how tree roots may have been the culprit, we have to start right back in the Devonian period, which occurred around 419 to 358 million years ago, and it is known to have some of the main mass extinction events in Earth's history. One of them is where nearly an estimated 70% of all life on Earth perished. But what caused these cataclysmic events? Well, in a brand new study, researchers have given us a surprising answer: tree roots. Yes, you heard that right. Tree roots may have been responsible for wiping out most of the marine life during the Devonian period. How is that possible? Well, according to the study published in the Geological Society of America, the evolution of tree roots over 300 million years ago changed the chemistry of the soil and water in many ways that had devastating consequences for the oceans. The researchers analysed stone deposits from ancient lake beds in Greenland and Scotland and found cycles of higher and lower levels of phosphorus, a chemical found in all life on Earth. They also found evidence of wet and dry cycles based on signs of weathering caused by root growth. And they concluded that these cycles were linked to the emergence and expansion of forests on land, especially Archaeopteris, the first plant to grow leaves and reach heights of 30 feet. These trees had roots that pulled nutrients from the land during times of growth and then abruptly dumped them into the Earth's water during times of decay. This process, known scientifically as eutrophication, is remarkably similar to what happens today when excess nutrients from fertilizers and other agricultural runoff trigger massive algae blooms that consume all of the water's oxygen. This lack of oxygen creates an anoxic environment, which leaves a dead zone where nothing can survive. The researchers suggest that this is what happened in the ancient oceans when tree roots flooded them with excess nutrients. These rapid and destructive algae blooms would have depleted most of the ocean's oxygen, triggering catastrophic mass extinction events. Unlike today, the roots 300 million years ago were in their infancy. They were shallow and they could not hold large trees upright for very long, which is why we saw lots of trees being felled and then decaying at an exponential rate. It's primarily one of the reasons why we don't see that action happening today. Eutrophication doesn't occur due to the complex root systems, which means there is less decaying happening on the roots in today's Earth environments. The dynamics revealed in the study shed light on other newer threats to life in Earth's oceans. The large increase in pollution from fertilizers, manure, and other organic waste, such as sewage, have placed the Earth's oceans on the edge of anoxia, or complete lack of oxygen. These new insights into the catastrophic results of natural events in the ancient world may serve as a warning about the consequences of similar conditions arising from human activity today. That's all for today's episode on Earth Scishow. I hope you enjoyed learning about how tree roots may have driven mass extinctions in the past and what that means for our present and future. Thank you for listening and stay tuned for more episodes on Earth Sciences. Until next time, stay curious.